Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to get your Brother mobile Artspira app set up and connected to your Brother SE2000. Now, this setup process can be a little bit confusing. There's a whole bunch of steps. You kind of have to go back and forth between your phone or your tablet and your machine. And I will also say that it doesn't just apply to the SE2000. It's any of the Brother machines that are wireless, can be connected wirelessly. And there's a whole bunch that are compatible with the SE2000. I will say one of the reasons that I upgraded from my SE600, aside from that that's a 4x4 embroidery and this is a 5x7, is this Artspira app. It is a game changer. So getting it set up can be a little bit intimidating, but it is totally worth it. I'm going to take you through step by step. So let's do this. Okay, so we'll start on the touch screen of the SE2000 by clicking the Bluetooth button, and that is going to bring you to this screen. Mine says it's number 11 out of 12, so you need to be on 12 out of 12. Now, I already set this up, so I'm going to click change, but you will click the button that's there. So we want to get to this QR page. You can see that's 1 out of 4. We want to advance to through 2 out of 4 and through 3 out of 4, and then we're going to stop here because that gives us a code. Switch over to your Artspira app at this point, and what you're going to do in the top right is click the machine settings button. That is going to bring you to this page where you'll click register under embroidery machines, and then you're going to click wireless LAN on that next page. That is going to bring you to a series of screens that you can continue to click next through. So we need to get to this screen where there is a field that we can enter the number. Now, that is the number that you see on the touch screen of your SE2000. So enter that number in there, and once you do that, you will be given a 4-digit code on your app. This code now needs to be entered onto your SE2000. So from the screen that you're on, which currently has that 11-digit number, click the right arrow so that you get to this next screen where it has a PIN code. And on that PIN code is where you are going to enter the 4-digit code that you found on your app. Okay, I told you this was a little confusing. Now, on your app, you can see that right now it's saying unrecognized PIN code, but if you click to refresh, it will now show that you have a machine that's registered, and if you click the right button there, the little arrow, it will take you to this page where it is going to show you that you are ready to begin transferring. Okay, so now that you have it set up, you will easily be able to transfer your files wirelessly. So whatever you have in your app, and you can just, if you have it on your computer, say you're using Embroidery Essentials or something like that, you can airdrop it to your phone and then pull it into the app and then send directly to your SE2000. So again, it's all wireless. There is still an option for USB, like a thumbnail drive if you want, but you don't have to use the thumb drive. You can transfer wirelessly, and it does make things a whole lot easier. The Artspira app also has a ton of other features, which we're going to get into, but this is just getting a setup, and I would highly recommend it, getting used to using that, because it really is going to unlock a lot of usability features and different things like that for you. So if you guys are looking for more tutorials, including how to get the machine set up, how to set this up on your network, or how to do your first embroidery when you're transferring your first files over, I've got videos and tutorials on Silhouette School blog on all of that. All right, guys, see you soon.